Hello and welcome, and thank you for visiting the Foodics accounting platform. Today in this tutorial I would like to speak about bank transactions, and during this tutorial there will be some movement throughout this left margin, and there will also be frequent screen changing. So I would just like to ask the listeners to please bear with me on that. And furthermore, there will be some moments of silence, but that will be because I will be inputting data and considering my next move through the platform. So I will be taking my time, so please be mindful of that. Thank you. So, bank transactions. Within this system, a user can create a different bank transaction via the bank account section, which is here. This system allows the user to spend money, receive money, and transfer money. During this tutorial, I will be speaking about the spend money element, and the functionality here includes an overpayment feature. These are basically advance payments to a supplier without tax, and the account cannot be specified. They are always recorded in the account payable section. So what I would like to do is create an overpayment as a demonstration. So to do so, I stay in this margin here, move to bank accounts, and for simplicity I'd like to use Bank Alinmar. So what we see here is a new transaction tab, so I choose this, and as I mentioned, I'm spending money via an overpayment feature. I've just got a few data boxes to complete, so just a moment. My reference is overpayment. So I've completed the overpayment data, and what I can do now, I can save this transaction, and that was saved successfully. So what we can see here on the statement is the overpayment that I have just completed. So I'd just like to click on this, and what we see here are a few features. This symbol here is the attachments functionality. So it's an upload symbol, so basically the user can add attachments that can be printed and sent with the invoices. And furthermore, after saving a transaction, journal entries for all transactions are automatically created by the system, and journal entries for each transaction can be viewed via this function here. So I'll just demonstrate. So the journal screen appears in a ready to print standard format, and you have an option to save. I'll just click cancel here. So what I'm also going to talk about today is another element of the overpayment system, which is receive money. So I'll just go back to the bank account section here. I'll go Bank Alinmar again, back to new transaction. As I mentioned, this one is about receive money. Again, as an overpayment. And again, just a couple of data boxes here. Just a second. And again, after I've completed the data, I have an option to save, which I will do so. And that was successfully saved. So what I've got here, I would just like to bring this up again as an overpayment for customer 2. I've got the same features available across the top line, which is the upload option, to add attachments, and the print journal option, which is to view journal entries. So that concludes the tutorial on spend money and receive money within the overpayment functionality within bank transactions. So thank you for your attention.